All right, today on the menu is sunshine chicken stew. Yummy. Here's your guide for reference only. You may do with or without it as you please. It's just to give you an idea of what is in it and what you may be required to do. So take a gander, but this is how I do it. Yummy, hearty, delicious, yum. Here's all your ingredients. Now, I prefer a fresh chicken breast. Though the recipe calls for rotisserie chicken, please check the label for gluten because some added seasonings and preparation may include gluten. So that's why I use the fresh chicken breast. So here we go. Chicken breast. Raw spinach, 1 onion, 1 yellow bell pepper, minced garlic, chicken broth, dried rosemary leaves, crushed red pepper, and your cooking oil of choice. I prefer grapeseed oil because it's a high heat oil and it's a cleaner and healthier option. So here's your yellow bell pepper and 1 onion. I prefer yellow onion for this one. Your 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. 5 cups of chicken broth divided. Place that one set aside for later usage. 1 can of diced tomatoes. I prefer 2 because I like the heartiness. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary leaves. And a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. You may use more or less depending on your heat preference. A 1/4 is just at the tip of spicy. And 1 bag of raw baby spinach. All right, let's cook and boil your chicken breast in 4 cups of chicken broth or water with a teaspoon of each garlic and onion powder, salt and pepper, and a 2 to 3 quart pot. Takes about 15 to 20 minutes depending on the size of your chicken breast. And you can also cut slits or score the chicken breast to speed up the cooking time. Once your chicken is finished, chop it up into bite-sized pieces. Also chop up the onion. And you'll want to cut or chop or slice your yellow bell pepper into 1/2-inch slices. Place your onions and yellow bell peppers into a 6 to 8 quart pot with a 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and cook on medium heat until soft and tender. Then add your diced tomatoes, your rosemary, and crushed red pepper to the pot and mix well. Again, don't be shy. If you like flavor, add more tomatoes. Add chopped chicken and garlic and chicken broth to the pot and then bring it to a boil. Add your whole bag of spinach to the pot. Stir and mix it well until the spinach is wilted. Then cover and reduce your heat to low and simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. Ooh, yummy. After simmering, mix well and sprinkle with salt and pepper for your desired flavor. Oh, you should be so proud of yourself. Look at that. Hearty, delicious, healthy. Who could ask for more? You can serve it in a bowl on its own or accompanied with jasmine rice or brown rice or whatever you please. Thanks again for cooking with me here in the PMP kitchen. I hope you had as much fun eating it as you did cooking it here with me because I was delighted. I cannot wait to get on to our next recipe and I hope to see you there in the PMP kitchen.